What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, and today I wanted to go over some comics I've been collecting in the physical world. I actually started this recently from joining the VeVe app. So if you're familiar with VeVe, you kind of know what's up. They kind of get you hooked into collectibles, and a lot of people start getting the physical counterparts to those collectibles. My first one was actually Ultimate Fallout 4, the Facsimile version, and I grabbed 3 of those from my local comic book store. And then ever since then, I've been kind of grabbing stuff here and there. And I'm about probably halfway through cataloging my collection. I got some cool stuff from the dollar bin today. So this was one of them, the Miles Morales Ultimate Spider-Man. That was a cool find for $1. I think it's probably a $30 or $40 book from what I was looking at on eBay. I got the Doctor Doom West Coast Avengers out of the dollar bin. This all new Ultimates. It's got Miles here on the cover. Anything Miles in the dollar bin, I'm going to grab. I just really like Miles. As you guys know, the secret rare from VeVe, the Facsimile Djurdjevic variant, the Virgin cover. I got that for Valentine's Day, actually, from my girlfriend. I picked these up from a fellow collector on VeVe. And all this other stuff I've been slowly acquiring. This is from that same VeVe collector. I got this first Black Panther, 198 Legacy Edition, just because the cover is so dope. But yeah, the ASM 300 Throwback Venom, I grabbed a couple of those, and just slowly picking stuff up. It's a cool little hobby to get into. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, I highly suggest checking out the VeVe app, as they have the digital equivalents of some of these books, and super excited about what's going to happen in the NFT space as far as collectibles in the future. So with that being said, I just had to share this because I've been cataloging this stuff and it took a stupid amount of time. So I figured I might as well make some content out of it. Once I finish this, I'll probably do another update video just to share things with you guys. And maybe I'll go through my VeVe comic collection as well. That being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos like this to see what I'm doing. Appreciate you guys. Stay legendary. Have a great March. Finish out the first quarter strong. And we'll check back in soon. Appreciate you.